Hi, I'm Devin. I'm the head of customer service for Vive Health, and today I'll show you how to assemble and adjust your Vive knee walker. Included with your Vive knee walker is one pre-installed steering column, one front frame section, one rear frame section, one adjustable knee pad, one carry bag, and 3 screw knobs. Step 1, remove the screw knob from the socket on the rear section and fit the 2 male ends on the front frame section into the 2 female ends. Pinch the 2 locking pins together and push the sections together until the locking pins pop into place. Step 2, reinsert the screw knob into the socket. Step 3, make sure that the steering column is brought into a vertical position so that the locking pin here will latch into place. What you'll do is bring that up. That'll click into place there. You'll then lift the tension lever assembly up and lower just the tension bolt down until there's pressure applied to the hinge to secure the steering column. Step 4, fit the handlebars into the steering column and adjust the height of the handlebars to your preferred height using the screw knob and the adjustment holes inside. Reinsert the screw knob and tighten down securely. Step 5 is going to be to install the seat into the socket on the bottom of the frame. Remove the bolt. Fit the seat in place and secure back down tightly. Step 6, make sure that the Velcro straps are securing the brake lines down, and attach the bag to the hooks on the steering column using the strap loop and the Velcro straps. To fold the knee walker, first disengage the tension lever at the tension lock and lower the tension lever assembly down to release the tension on the hinge. Then pull the locking pin aside to free the hinge and fold the handlebars under the seat. The seat can also be removed if you wish. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.